Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Hyundai Palisade key fob. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This key will help you access the battery compartment. Now, with the emergency key removed, insert your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key blade was. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry open the key fob casing. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic housing. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: after all that key fob work, you might be hungry. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly into place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.